Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Now reviewing another seasonal Lego set. This is an original Lego set. It came in original bag, but I don't have the original bag. It's a vintage Lego set number 1627 or 1627. It's a Santa, as I told you, it's from 1989. It's easy to build. It's just got 36 pieces. It's got basic bricks, 8 steps, and I will open the building instructions and see the first 4 steps. As you see, it's easy to build by using the common bricks for the feet and the plates, the red suit with the basic brick 2x4, and the other steps. This would be a very short review. Okay, this is the building process for the bag in black, by using this hard to find piece, which is the brick slope 45 2x2 convex, and this one it's the same but inverted, double convex inverted. Well, that's about the bag. Putting the bag on the main body of the Santa, keeping building the body. This is the white bird by using a brick 2x2 45 slope, and this piece is not common. It's yellow brick 1x2 with 3 spot face. 2 of the circles are pretending to be the eyes, and the other circle, the red one, is pretending to be the mouth, I think. It's kind of laughing ho ho ho, I think. The red top, and this is the Santa already built. It's so easy, and it is very easy to get because it's using just 36 pieces. That's the year of manufacturing. No lies. No, I'm not lying this. It is with my proof. And I will show the model already built and show the other sides that you don't see in the building instructions. So let's bring the Santa already built. As you see, is very small, very fancy. You see how it looks like on the side, on this side, carrying the bag, the face, the beard. Very interesting and amazing, in spite of it is so small. For this seasonal moment, Christmas, and the slopes, the double convex 45 slope, and the inverted slope double convex 45. 45 means the degrees, right? That's the view under the view, and the top of this little Santa. So that's a very nice gift for any child. Lego is a very expensive toy, so this is a very cheap choice to get Lego creation. So I really like this detail of the Lego sets. It's seasonal. Remember, I don't have the original bag, so that's what I say about this fancy set. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye and Merry Christmas!